What if your crypto worked like cash anywhere in the world? No selling, no transferring, no waiting. Just tap your phone and pay. That's the gap this solves. This card is a Visa or MasterCard crypto card which connects directly to your Bitget wallet, meaning it bridges crypto and everyday spending. Instead of using a traditional bank account, you top up the card using USDT or USDC, which are stablecoins designed to stay close to the value of the US dollar. Once the card is funded, you can spend it just like a normal debit card at places that accept Visa or MasterCard. It works both online and in physical stores across APAC and Europe and Latin America, and it is accepted by over 150 million merchants worldwide. The key idea here is that crypto doesn't stay stuck inside an exchange or wallet. It becomes something that you can actually use in daily life. The way spending works is designed to feel familiar, even if you've never used a crypto card before. First, you fund the card directly from your Bitget wallet using USDT or USDC. When you make a payment, the system automatically converts your crypto into local fiat currency in the background. This happens instantly, so there's no need to manually swap tokens, transfer funds, or think about exchange steps. From the user's point of view, it feels exactly like paying with a normal debit card. You just tap, swipe, or pay online, and the transaction goes through. This simplicity is important because it removes the technical friction that usually stops people from actually using crypto. One of the biggest concerns people have with crypto cards is that, there are hidden fees. And this is where the Bitget Wallet Card stands out. The card offers lifetime zero fees on $400 of monthly spending, which covers many people's regular daily expenses. There's also no top-up fees, meaning you don't lose money just from moving funds onto the card. On top of that, the card supports popular payment systems like Apple Pay, Google Pay, WeChat Pay, and Alipay, making it easy to use both online and in-store. All of this makes the card practical for everyday use. It's not just something you try once and then forget about. Now, what makes this card important is that it changes how crypto is used in the real world. Instead of trading tokens or cashing out to a bank, you're spending crypto directly, which is how digital money is meant to work. So this is especially useful for travel, for cross-border payments and everyday purchases where traditional banking can be slow or expensive. It also represents a major step for Bitget Wallet, as this is their first global crypto card and a key part of their broader pay strategy, which focuses on making crypto practical, spendable and usable outside of exchanges. In simple terms, this card helps move crypto from theory into real life. So, just a couple of additional points. You get real-time top-ups from your wallet available instantly. There are regulated partners, localized KYC and fraud monitoring. It's designed to make crypto usable, not just tradable. If you already hold USDT or USDC, this turns it into something you can actually use. Check out the Bitget Wallet Card and see if it's available in your region.